Hey guys, Bryan here from Liquid Concepts. So today we're going to do something a little bit different. We're pretty excited about it. So today we're going to be talking a little bit about the Simpsons film. And so we had a customer that came to us and they said that they wanted this on a center console in a Jeep. And of course we said yes, why not? So what we've got here is we've got a Jeep console. Now this is going to be very interesting because this is a pretty much 4 to 5 sided part here. We've got all these parts all the way around, and then of course we got the cup holder in the back. So this is going to be very interesting to dip. We're gonna have to do this in multiple sections, but to kind of give you an idea and show you the actual film itself, we'll lay this out right here. And so we've got the film that we have here. This is definitely going to be very bright. It is very unique. It screams Simpsons all over. You've got the donuts, you've got Bart, you've got all of it. And so this is going to be really cool design, very, very flashy. So we thought we'd go ahead, shoot a quick little video and show you guys the end result. So stay tuned and let's get started. So what we've got to do here is, like I was saying before, we're going to dip it in 4 sections. So pretty much we're going to do this on the body lines. And so there's a couple of things. So of course this film is only a 50 centimeter wide. So it is only that tall, which is exactly perfect for all of this. But we can't really like roll it and all that. It's just not going to look good. So we're going to have to do it in multiple sections. So we're going to use the body lines to go ahead and get that all taped off. So we'll tape it right down here. We'll tape it right down through here. Do one side here, come back in. We'll do one side here, and then of course one side here, and then we'll just have a nice little line where we overlap it at from these dips to this dip to this dip, and then of course all of this will flow over up into all of this right in here. So let's go ahead, let's get some paper, let's get some tape, tape everything off, get it ready for the first dip, and let's get started. Now that we got this all taped up, ready to go, as you can tell, we've got everything all covered all the way around here, all the way around the cup holder areas. And so we've got a nice little line going up into here on all of these edges around through here. So now let's go ahead, let's get the film laid out for what we need, and then let's go ahead and start dipping it. All right, so we've got this all finished up, and I think this thing came out looking amazing. So kind of give you a quick little view of this here. So of course we have the Simpsons all the way around this entire thing, all throughout the entire part here. We've even came in, we've blacked out all of this area in here. Inevitably there's going to be a cup holder insert that goes down in here, but it does look a lot better having it blacked out like that. It's not all completely stretched out and everything. And then of course we do have up in here. We've got all this taped up in here, and then of course back in here we left all of this just factory, so that way everything looks really good. So this is definitely a one-of-a-kind, very unique situation. It took quite a bit to do. As you saw in the videos that we did, there was pretty much 4 different patterns that we had to do, 4 different dips that we had to do all the way around here, as well as the 5th dip on the top of the lid. But as far as the overall look and feel of the part, I definitely think it came out looking exactly the way the customer wanted, and so he's going to be really happy about it. So hopefully this video has really helped you guys out on especially doing multiple dips and things like that. If you have any questions or comments, definitely leave them below. We'd love to hear from you on anything hydrographics related, as well as let me know how you what you think on this. How did it turn out? Would you have done anything differently? Definitely let us know on that as well. I'm Bryan from Liquid Concepts, and this is how we customize your world. We'll see you guys next time.